Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are coming at you guys with Alabama.
Yes, Roll Tide, home to Auburn. All the great football down in Alabama.
Yes, so the beautiful thing is that in the state of Alabama, you guys actually have a population of around 8 million people, with many still to this day living in mobile homes. When you talk about how many mobile home communities there are in the state of Alabama, it's 550 mobile home communities.
Yes, and you guys offer a great rate of affordability when it comes to homes, right? You guys, your median house costs $129. Right, in your metro areas, your highest rent goes to $1,026, and then you guys have affordability in the state with your lowest rent being $570. So you talk about, when it comes to mobile home investing, you have a lot of range of affordability, and I just want to give you guys a great resource when it comes to mobile homes. You guys want to look into the Alabama Manufactured Housing Association, a great tool for you all.
Yes. Now, in the state of Alabama, like most states, when we're talking about mobile home markets in the United States, it does require that mobile home dealer's license, but after you have done one mobile home deal. So yes, you can do one mobile home deal in the state of Alabama before needing that license.
Yes. Now, one thing I love about your state, okay, if a mobile home is over 20 years old, right, or a travel trailer, you don't need a title for that home. And honestly, that's amazing because a lot of our homes are, over 20 years old. Okay. And then one thing you definitely want to do in your state, you have to register your mobile home. So after your day of purchase, you have 30 days to make sure you register that mobile home.
Yes. Now, the beautiful thing is that the registration fee in the state of Alabama is very, very affordable. Now, in the state of Alabama, they do it based on single wide versus double wide. So a single wide registration fee is $24, and then a double wide registration fee is $48.
Yes. So let's talk about where are these hot spots? Where are all these communities at, right? I know you got your pen and pad ready. Let's talk about it.
Yes. So we have Athens at 10 mobile home communities. We have Anniston at 21, Auburn at 20, Birmingham at 12, Cottondale with 11, and Daleville at 10 mobile home communities.
Yes, Dothan has 28 mobile home communities. Enterprise has 10. Okay, Fairhope has 18. You have Foley, 20 mobile home communities. Huntsville, 13. Jasper, 10. Mobile has 27. Montgomery has 10.
Yes, we have Northport at 12.
Yes. Opelika, you got 23. Prattsville, 17.
Troy at 13.
And last but not least, Tuscaloosa at 22 mobile home communities.
Yes, so we have laid out pretty much the entire mobile home market in the state of Alabama. You have no excuses as to why you cannot go ahead and start prospecting in these areas and these cities that we just mentioned. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.